Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order from the Adidas app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up our Adidas app and sign in or register. So now to do that, once you're in the home screen of Adidas, click on the user profile top right hand corner of the page and we can either log in or join for free. So I'm going to join using my Google account. I'm going to check these boxes. Okay, so once you've signed up or signed in, we're going to be taken back to the home screen here. Now from here, basically what we want to do is put items into our shopping cart. So if I want to put some shoes in, I can do that by clicking on shoes. So I'm just going to add these shoes in for this demonstration. Now I need to select size. So I'm going to do US 9 and then go ahead and click on add to bag. Now a little pop-up's going to appear like this. Now if there's any delays or anything like that, they're going to let you know, which is quite cool about the Adidas app. So at the moment they experience a high order volume, so obviously because it's coming up to Christmas, so please expect a slight delay in your order delivery. So it's good to let us know that. So if I go to my cart here, I can see what's in my shopping bag, the pair of Adidas Gazelle indoor shoes. Now to go ahead and purchase this product, we can go ahead and add a promo code too if you got one. So we go in and click on add promo code, add that to your order. Now what I suggest is looking at the Adidas social medias for any promo codes, or even type in Adidas promo code in Google and look at any one of the top results to try and get some savings there. Now basically go ahead and click on checkout. Now on the next screen it is black here. It's going to say checkout. It's going to have your shipping and your total price and also place order. So I'm just going to go ahead and select my shipping method. And also you can select your payment method here as well. So you got Afterpay, Visa, Amex, credit card or PayPal. So choose your payment method and then from there go ahead and place order.